Hello, bonjour, Anine. Welcome to the 2020 Virtual Open House for Durham College. I'm Meri Oliver, Vice President Student Affairs, and I'm so pleased that you've decided to continue to explore your options for post-secondary education by joining us today. Continuing your education is something that is more important than ever as our world enters a new paradigm where each of us will ask to bring to bear our best selves in creating new ways to work, in finding new ways to use technology, and in finding new ways to deliver products and services that are meaningful to our community in this new reality. Students who are starting their programs in September of 2020 will define how people learn together in a world that is being redefined every single day. It's an incredible opportunity to be creative and forward-thinking and to really create and craft the ways in which we will learn and work together over the next decade. In the next couple of hours, you'll have an opportunity to meet and engage with the people who can assist you in this journey. You'll not only learn about your academic programs, but you'll also have an opportunity to engage with the many people from Student Services who assist students in their success in a post-secondary environment. This includes our learning strategists and tutors, our career counselors and coaches, our accessibility coaches, financial aid officers, counselors, and so many more. I strongly encourage you to participate in the online chats and to continue to do so after today so that you can get answers to the many questions that will evolve as you learn more about your programs and about the college. Again, I thank you for coming and for looking at Durham College as an option for your future. We hope that you and your family are well and look forward to seeing you in September. Miigwech.